Oh, yeah, right. That little bird right there is mad. He done dive on me like twice. My guess is he's or she's got a nest. I don't even know what kind of bird that is. That's not the greatest video. I'm sorry, but someone could tell me what type of bird, or maybe I need a picture in Google and see what he's all about. Tutorial, I guarantee it. He didn't like me being anywhere near those trees over there. I was walking down that road, but he was up in those trees. So, yeah. That little guy right there, or gal, well, interesting. If you know what type of bird that is, drop a comment, let me know.